Good morning, world. Let's make a quick video. Walk and talk. Alrighty, there's something from a drunken artist. Yeah, I made that first or second year we've been in Wrangell, and I just kind of topped it off with that idea. As this is so soft. Yeah, there's a gouge right there. Red cedar, so soft. Okay, but the best thing lately from a drunken artist, I just feel good. I got that much red cedar left. That should be plenty to finish this. Oh yeah, and there's the latest stack. These dark pieces are heavier. I guess they last longer. But it's all red cedar. And this monstrosity is my camper that I built for my Tundra. And it's way too heavy for it. Okay, here's how the work was progressing. This is nice and soft after you get done sanding and oiling. Now, working on the ladder. I'm sore. Up and down this thing 100 times. Okay, here's how it's going. I had 2 big cups of coffee, so don't mind the camera shake. I gotta carve these, but this is heavy marine aluminum with ceramic coating for insulation, but the insulation just doesn't cut it. So by the way I built it, the design, it's just begging for this to be finished off with shingles and get better insulation that way. It's quite fancy. Have to get into that later. Yeah, had a big old raven land up there just speaking a foreign language. It's so funny, so adorable. He was up there a long time because I kept squawking back at him. You can hear foghorns this morning out there. Foghorns. And it's a little chilly. All right, out.